Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. Check कर लीजिए पहले सारी चीजें ठीक है, पिक्चर क्वालिटी इज परफेक्ट फाइन. सो वी कैन स्टार्ट द सेशन इमीडिएटली. आज का डिस्कशन रहेगा सितंबर मंथ को स्टार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ऑफ सितंबर का जो भी करंट अफेयर्स होगा उसको डिस्कस करेंगे एंड विल ऑल्सो डू द एमसीक्यू रिवीजन ऑफ द लास्ट डे. जो फ्राइडे को हमने न्यूज डिस्कस किए थे उसके एमसीक्यूज रिवीजन. And we are going to see some very important news today. Like one of the news is regarding Navaratna companies. So news number one will be there. That is Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman approved the upgradation of 4 public sector enterprises at Navaratna. So 4 more companies added to the list of Navaratna companies in India. Now they will also have the status of Navaratna companies in India. Can you tell me that now after inclusion of these 4 companies as Navaratna, total Navaratna companies in India will be how much? कितने हो जाएंगे अब आपके पास Navaratna companies? Good morning, good morning, good morning, very good morning. Those who have just joined yet. Yeah. So how many Navaratna companies will be there in India now? इनके बारे में बात कर लेंगे. I'll give you the complete list of Navaratna today. Reserve Bank of India have given the approval to FACE, FACE. Full form is going to be Fintech Association Customer Empowerment. The first self-regulatory organization for the fintech sector. So finally, like this year, from the time being year 2024 started, a new concept regarding self-regulatory organization we have covered multiple times. RBI came with the concept of self-regulatory organizations. Then RBI came with the guideline, with the functions, all these details we have discussed in the previous session. Now, the first self-regulatory organization for the fintech sector have been approved. Name of this organization is going to be FACE, F-A-C-E. Full form, how many members are there? Other details are going to be very important regarding this particular circular of RBI. We'll discuss in detail. Private sector and small finance bank have achieved 20% growth in terms of deposits in the financial year 2024. So RBI issues the data regarding deposits, only deposits of all, like what is the deposit ratio in public sector bank, in private sector bank, in RRBs. Every data is available, which is going to be important for us for every upcoming bank examination. Rajvinder Bhati sir appointed as the Director General of CISF, Central Industrial Security Force, while Daljit Singh Chaudhary named as the new Chief of Border Security Organization. So BSF के नए डायरेक्टर और CISF के न्यू डायरेक्टर. Almost every director in the defense sector have been changed now. लगभग सब चेंज हो गए. GST department imposed the penalty of 24 lakh rupee on Yes Bank. What was the reason? That we'll discuss in detail. Jio Financial Services got the approval from Government of India to receive the FDI up to 49%. Although FDI in the NBFC sector is up to 100%. But that is depends by the government approval. So that is pre-approval of the government is required to receive up to 100% FDI. So now Jio Financial Services got the approval to receive the foreign direct investment up to 49%. So there are 2 news which we are going to discuss today regarding Jio Financial Services. Another news is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana expansion, approximately 3 crore new account to be opened in the year 2024. For this year, finance minister have given the prediction that this year approximately 3 crore new account will be added into Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Recently 10 years was completed. We discussed about it that Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana have completed 10 years and all. तो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे, पर पहले क्विकली थोड़ा सा एमसीक्यू रिवीजन कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. Missed my session a lot. I was not missed anywhere. It was your Saturday, Sunday was the examinations you guys have. That is also pre-examination. So I'm not doing the session on Saturday, Sunday. Once this pre-examination era will be over, I'll be available on Saturday, Sunday also to do the sessions. Don't worry. MCQ revision कर लेते हैं. which bank have received the approval from Reserve Bank of India to allow this SBI mutual fund to acquire 9.99% stake? तो SBI म्यूचुअल फंड एक्वायर करने जा रहा है पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ स्टैक इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बैंक? किस बैंक में अप्रूव किया है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने? करेक्ट आंसर है करूर वैश्य बैंक. करूर वैश्य बैंक इज अ वेरी ओल्ड बैंक इन इंडिया. इट्स अ प्राइवेट बैंक, प्राइवेट लिस्टेड इंडियन बैंक. इंडियन बैंक है, लिस्टेड प्राइवेट बैंक है. In this bank recently, how much percentage of stake will be acquired by SBI mutual fund that is approved by Reserve Bank of India? तो RBI ने अप्रूव किया है. कितना परसेंट स्टैक है जो कि एक्वायर करेगा SBI mutual fund? So this is another pattern in which you can get the question in the examination, right? So correct answer will be 9.99% stake will be acquired by SBI mutual fund in Karur Vya's bank. The bank headquarters located in Karur, Tamil Nadu. 1916 it was formed. B. Ramesh Babu sir is the CEO. Smart way to bank is the tagline. आगे चलते हैं. Securities and Exchange Board of India bars Mr. Anil Ambani and other 24 security markets for other 24 from the security market for how many years? लगभग कितने सालों के लिए अनिल अंबानी और 24 अन्य लोगों को जो सेबी है कैपिटल मार्केट रेगुलेटर, इन्होंने बैन कर दिया है नॉट टू डू एनी टाइप ऑफ ट्रेडिंग इन द स्टॉक मार्केट और इन द सिक्योरिटी मार्केट. ऑल्सो इम्पोज द फाइन ऑफ 25 करोड़ रुपी ऑन अनिल अंबानी. सो करेक्ट आंसर है 5 ईयर का बैन इंपोज किया है. करेक्ट है, 5 ईयर का बैन इंपोज किया है अभी सेबी ने. एंड 25 करोड़ रुपी फाइन विल बी imposed by SEBI on Anil Ambani. SEBI founded in the year 1988, became a autonomous body in the year 1992 by the SEBI Act 1992. Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarter. Madhavi Buch ma'am is the chairperson. As of July 2024, which stock exchange hold the title of largest in Asia? कौन सा स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है जो कि लार्जेस्ट इन एशिया का टाइटल होल्ड कर रहा है ऑन जुलाई 2024? करेक्ट आंसर है आपका नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, एनएसई, नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. So NSE board recently apply a new fresh application in front of SEBI for NOC, no objection certificate, for getting listed in IPO, initial public offering. NSE was founded in which year? So this is a question moving from current to static. तो आपसे पूछ लिया इन्होंने कि SEBI was founded in which year? करेक्ट आंसर है 1992. ठीक है. SEBI चेयरपर्सन है गिरीश चंद्र चतुर्वेदी जी. एमडी एंड सीईओ इज मिस्टर आशीष कुमार चौहान, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र हेडक्वार्टर. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. कंसीडर द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द recent news regarding small saving schemes in India. Remember, RRB PO clerk examination, it is going to be a game changer question. Topic is very, very important. Always we get the question based on these schemes, right? So consider the correct statement about the recent news of small saving schemes in India. The small saving schemes shows a decent annual growth of 13.8%. The growth was mainly driven by Mahila Samman Saving Certificate and Senior Citizen Saving Scheme. Currently, the highest rate of interest available in Sukanya Samriddhi account and Senior Citizen Saving Scheme among all other schemes. तो ये आपके पास पॉइंट हो गया. करेक्ट आंसर देखें. सही तो था ना, कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर दिया? सही तो है. एनएससी लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है. एनएससी के चेयरपर्सन है गिरीश चंद्र चतुर्वेदी सर एंड आशीष कुमार चौहान, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र हेडक्वार्टर. चलो, इसका आंसर क्या बन रहा है? स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 इज करेक्ट, 3 इज करेक्ट, सेकंड वन इज रॉन्ग. So recently, small saving schemes in India have seen the growth of 13.8%. Correct है. Small saving schemes mainly driven by Sukanya Samriddhi account and Senior Citizen Saving Scheme. And these are the two schemes where the rate of interest is highest. 8.2% is the current rate of interest in these two schemes. अभी इनमें सबसे हाई चल रहा है आपका, अगर आप चेक करोगे तो Senior Citizen Saving Scheme and Sukanya Samriddhi account. After that, Kisan Vikas Patra is important, 7.5. After that, NSC is important, 7.7. PPF is important, that is 7.1%. So among these These 5 are important to remember for the examination. Next step. Recently, Amazon Pay UPI crossed 100 million customers or users. Reserve Bank of India have given the approval to Amazon Pay to act as a payment aggregator in which of the following month and year? So correct answer, in Feb 2024, RBI approved Amazon Pay to act as a payment aggregator. इनको as a payment aggregator act करने के लिए authority मिल गई है. अच्छा, पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर की क्विकली बात कर लेते हैं. ऑल्दो टुडे वी हैव वेरी लेस टाइम बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ न्यूज, स्टिल इंपॉर्टेंट इज रिवीजन. सो रिवाइज कर लेते हैं क्विकली. पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर नाउ वी हैव इन हाउ मेनी कैटेगरीज? वी हैव पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर ऑनलाइन, राइट? PAO, इट इज कॉल्ड PAO. सेकेंड वन इज कॉल्ड PAP, पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर प्रॉक्सिमिटी, ऑल्सो नोन एज फिजिकल. सो पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर P, और एक हो गया आपके पास पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर क्रॉस बॉर्डर CB. सो पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर O, P एंड CB. नाउ व्हाट इज द मिनिमम कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर O? पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर O मिनिमम कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट इज 25 करोड़ रुपी, करेक्ट है. पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर P मिनिमम कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट एट द टाइम ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इज 15 करोड़, बट इट हैज टू बी 25 करोड़ रुपी it has to be 25 crore rupee by March 2028, correct है. and by March 28 लिखा है मैंने यहां पर. then payment aggregator cross border minimum capital requirement is 15 crore and it has to be 25 crore rupee by March 2026. so these are the important guidelines which the payment aggregator need to follow in the upcoming days. I hope all the statements are properly clear. ठीक है, आगे आ जाइए. नेक्स्ट है, what are the specific regulatory exemptions associated with the fund raised through the infrastructure bond, such as 5,000 crore rupee recently raised by Bank of Baroda will be fully subscribed, rated under AAA rating by the CRISIL. So recently Bank of Baroda BOB have raised the fund of 5,000 crore rupee from the market. On this 5,000 crore rupee, what are the following things will not be applicable? So they will be exempted from SLR and CRR. So SLR, CRR 4.5 current में, SLR 18%, it is not going to be applicable on the fund which is raised by the bank from the market. Which bank raised this 5,000 crore? It is raised by Bank of Baroda at the rate of interest of 7.3% for the maturity period of 10 years. काफी important है topic, ठीक है. BOB founded in the year 1908, headquarter है वडोदरा, गुजरात. देवदत्त चंद्र सर MD and CEO, India's international bank is the tagline. होमवर्क के क्वेश्चन चेक कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा और स्पीड पकड़ेंगे. MCQ रिवीजन हुआ है, अगले 3-4 मिनट में हमको होमवर्क भी कंप्लीट करना है. सुकन्या समृद्धि अकाउंट ओपन अप टू द एज ऑफ, गाइस I would request all of you, please go through with these questions. This homework question regarding the scheme is very very important. तो अच्छे से इनके explanation part को cover कर लेना. Do download the PDF also. Sukanya Samriddhi account can be open up to the age of 10 years from the date of birth. So from the date of birth, यहां पर लिख देता हूं, from the date of birth, DOB, from the date of birth up to the age of 10 years, this account can be open. It can be open only for girl child, only for girl child, right? So only for girl child it can be open. Consider the statement which are not correct, wrong statement which are not correct about Sukanya Samriddhi account. Currently Sukanya Samriddhi account interest rate is 8.5% per annum, which is paid or compounded annually. So it is currently 8.2%, not 8.5%. ये wrong हो गया आपका. Sukanya Samriddhi account was launched by Government of India under Bechri Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan. This is correct. Then this account can be opened in post office, commercial bank, payment bank is wrong. Payment banks are not allowed to offer this facility. तो payment bank में allowed नहीं है. So that is why statement number 3 is wrong. Sukanya Samriddhi account can be opened anytime between the birth of girl child up to she attained the age of 10 years. So this is correct. So आपके पास wrong statement हो गए. Statement number 1 is wrong. Statement number 3 is wrong. Statement number 1 and 3 is wrong is going to be your answer. I hope the statement is clear. I hope the statement is clear. ठीक है. Kumar Gaurav will be doing this week. Don't worry. What is the maximum deposit per year allowed in Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana? Per year, how much maximum account is allowed? कितना पैसा डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं? How much amount you can deposit in a year? So in one financial year, maximum 1.5 lakh rupee can be deposited. Maximum 1.5 lakh rupee can be deposited. What is the maturity period of Sukanya Samriddhi account? So Sukanya Samriddhi account maturity period is 21 years from the date of opening account. Remember that. Otherwise, you will make answer when the girl will attain the age of 21 years. This is a wrong answer. So it is 21 year from the date of opening account. जिस दिन account open हुआ है वहां से 21 year है. So account shall mature on the completion of the period of 21 years from the date of opening account. ये एक tricky और important question है. Tricky भी है. Then premature withdrawal is allowed under the Sukanya Samriddhi account after attaining the age of 18 years. तो 18 years का age attain करने पर premature withdrawal allow है up to 15% for the purpose of higher education. एक क्वेश्चन और था, identify the false statement with respect to Sukanya Samriddhi account. Account shall be mandatorily operated by the child when she will attain the age of 18 years. आपको निकालना था false statement, ठीक है? So up to after attaining 18 years, then accounts more than 2 girl childs are allowed. Third है आपके पास balance in the Sukanya Samriddhi account anywhere in India from post office. So correct answer है all the above statements are correct. None of the above statement is wrong. सारे statement correct हैं, but one point is required. Here in the point number 2 there should be written in exceptional cases. I missed it. ये मैंने मिस किया था. यहां लिखा होना चाहिए in exceptional cases. So Sukanya Samriddhi account allowed for more than 2 girls in one family, but in exceptional cases. What is that exceptional case? मैं बता देता हूं. So Sukanya Samriddhi account was launched in the year 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Account can be opened by the legal guardian or natural guardian. Someone who adopted, they can also open the account. Guardian can open only one account on the name of one girl child. Maximum 2 account allowed on the name of 2 different girl child. But in case of second delivery, if there are twins and both are girls, that is an exception. फिर से repeat कर दूं. At the time of second delivery, if there are 2 girls, both are twins, then in that case it is an exception. In that case, more than 2 accounts allowed within the same family to open for Sukanya Samriddhi account. So that is an exceptional case. Account can be opened up to the age of 10 years. Minimum 250 rupee per year, maximum 1,50,000 rupee per year. And partial withdrawal allowed up to 50% after attaining the age of 18 for the higher education purpose. तो ये होगा आपके पास सारे के सारे पॉइंट. Account can be open after attaining the age of 21 years. Married वाला clause यहाँ से हट जाएगा because now from the government of India minimum age of getting married is 21 instead of 18. 8.2% का करंट में आपका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट चल रहा है. So I have tried to cover everything regarding Sukanya Samriddhi account. Any maximum possible level of question if they want to create in the examination will not be out of the concept or context which I have told you. Don't worry. So Satish Kumar ji, Alankrit will be doing very soon a MCQ session on the Olympics. Don't worry, it will be done very soon. अजीत कुमार जी, अमन, रचना, अथिरापाल जी, विनय, गरिमा, शगुन, जॉय, सिमरन, सुवेंद्र, सबा, रवि, दिव्या, ब्लॉगर्स, दीपांशु, जग्गी दुर्गा राव जी, आफ्टर दैट अक्षय एंड उत्कर्ष. अक्षय मेश्राम जी. अक्षय, यू आर फ्रॉम नियर बाय मध्य प्रदेश और बालाघाट डिस्ट्रिक्ट. वेंकटेश, दिव्या, भारत, श्रद्धा, विंध्या, सरिता, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर आंसर्स. चलिए मूव करते हैं. होमवर्क के क्वेश्चंस कल के लिए दे देता हूं आपको और फिर आज के सेशन में मूव करेंगे, आज के न्यूज को चेक करेंगे. सो मैच्योरिटी पीरियड फॉर द किसान विकास पत्र In Kisan Vikas Patra, what is the current rate of interest? Kisan Vikas Patra is available in how many denomination? So tomorrow we are going to discuss Kisan Vikas Patra in detail. You got the idea. आते हैं आज की न्यूज पर. न्यूज स्टार्ट करते हैं फटाफट से, थोड़ा स्पीड पकड़ के रखेंगे so we can cover the news of today on time. Reserve Bank of India have given the approval to Fintech Association for the customer empowerment. First of all, have you guys remember that multiple time we already had a discussion around self-regulatory organization. Self-regulatory organization. I have given you the example like self-regulatory organization will be a platform which will be acting as a mediator between regulator and regulated entities. Regulator means RBI, regulated entities means fintech companies like CRED or PhonePe, Google Pay, Amazon Pay. These are called fintech companies in India, right? Credit B. So these are fintech companies. Those are providing the payment solution. Those are offering what? Those are offering you lending facility, completely digital, online. So this self-regulatory organization will act as a mediator. Mediator for what? It will be acting as a mediator for the purpose of any rule which is made by RBI. Rule made by RBI which will be applicable on the regulated entities. So this rule is impacting to them positively or negatively, and up to which manner. That suggestions will be provided by the self-regulatory organization. So self-regulatory organization will be a type of association leader. I hope you are getting my point. It is an organization. This organization should be registered as a not-for-profit company. So all these conditions I have explained multiple times before in the same session TNA. Today I am just revising. Why? Today we have the news. The news. बेटा 31st अगस्त also covered today in the session. मैंने डेट नहीं डाला बट वो भी न्यूज पूरे कवर है. डोंट वरी. अभी वाले कवर कर लो. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. So self-regulatory organization, first self-regulatory organization have been formed by Reserve Bank of India, or we can say that approved by Reserve Bank of India. RBI received three applications to create self-regulatory organization for the fintech sector. Out of three, one is approved by Reserve Bank of India, two are either rejected or returned back for the further consideration. So अभी एक approve कर दिया RBI ने जिसका नाम है FACE. FACE is the first self-regulatory organization in the fintech sector. There may be more than one also. So it is called Fintech Association Customer Empowerment. So three applications received by RBI. RBI approved one. Self-regulatory organization was approved by the final conditions approved by Reserve Bank of India in May 2024. So if you have covered the sessions of May, definitely you will be able to find the complete guidelines regarding self-regulatory organization in detail. काफी डिटेल में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. Main reason is promoting healthy and sustainable development within the fintech industry. Now this FACE, which is the first self-regulatory organization, have 50 members, including the prominent companies like Cashy, Five, CRED, Grow, LoanTap, Credit B, PaySense. These are the big companies among the 50 members. So total 50 members association is FACE. This FACE have received the approval as a first self-regulatory organization of fintech company. So this company should be a not-for-profit registered under Section 8 of Indian Companies Act 2013. Applicant should have minimum net worth of 2 crore rupee within 1 year from the time of getting approval, or at the time of applications, either at the time of application or at the time of approval. From the date of approval within 1 year, the minimum net worth of applicant should be 2 crore rupee, individual level. Instead of primarily covered the entities by the regulated entities such as NBFC aggregator, bank are not the part of self-regulatory organization. एक important point था ये. Banks will not be the part of self-regulatory organization. बाकी मैं MCQ revision कल करवाऊंगा ना. So what I am going to do is I'll take the question from May month also. So we'll be able to revise the conditions of self-regulatory organization. Don't worry. मैं वो वाले questions भी pick कर लूंगा. So you will be able to pick it properly. ठीक है? Next है definition. Self-regulatory organization must be a not-for-profit company. Responsibility है They will be working over the customer protection, data security, privacy to check that all the rules, regulations are compliant properly or not. So this will be the function or the responsibilities of self-regulatory organization. Next one. Next one. No. Slowly they are implementing it into other sector also. Like now the self-regulatory organization for your payment aggregators, it was under proposal. Self-regulatory organization for the NBFCs, non-bank financial company, that was under proposal. So slowly we will get the self-regulatory organization for other sector, but not for banks. Banks के लिए नहीं आएगा. RBI will regulate banks directly. No self-regulatory organizations will come for bank. Next step. So RBI have given the analysis on the deposit of scheduled commercial bank, including RRB, including regional rural bank. That is a comparison from the year 2019 to the year 2024, FY19 to FY24. There is a growth of 13.4% compared to the last year. So in FY24, there was a growth of 13.4% in the deposit size. Deposits are important, but remember, deposits are liabilities of bank. And banks are generating profit by converting their liabilities into their assets. तो जब आप as a banker deposit accept करते हो, you should always keep in mind these deposits are not going to generate profit for me. I need to convert these deposits into what? Assets by converting them into credit, by converting them into loans. As a banker, that should be the mindset. इंटरव्यू में पूछ लेते हैं what should be the banker mindset. बैंकर का एक mindset क्या होना चाहिए when they are sitting in a bank on a bank branch. तो काफी सारे पॉइंट होते हैं उसमें, but it should be one of them. ठीक है, आगे आ जाइए. This is higher than 10.2% in the financial year 23. So last financial year the deposit growth was 10.2%. This year it is 13.4%. इस साल का 13.4% है. So as on March 2024, the total deposit in the banking system was 212 lakh crore rupee. 212 lakh crore rupee was the deposit. ये deposits था. Small finance bank hold 1% of overall deposit, but there was a growth of 31%. Growth rate high है, total share small है. Means out of 100 rupee deposit, only 1 rupee deposited in small finance bank. But there was a growth of 31% compared to last year. Private sector bank holding 34% of the total deposit. So total deposit का 34% किसके पास है? Private banks के पास है. They have good number of deposit. Public sector bank including RRB 57% of total deposit. But growth was 9.4%. So in PSB growth rate was lower, but the share is high. The share high है, growth कम था PSB में. Foreign bank shows 18% growth compared to the last year. So foreign bank, private bank, small finance bank, they have shown the high growth compared to public sector bank, but still the overall share is higher with the public sector bank. So in public sector bank, the deposits are more compared to private bank, compared to foreign bank. So in public sector bank में आपके deposit ज़्यादा है. Public sector bank, अभी यहाँ पर growth देख लें. So growth in the public sector bank was 9.4%, private bank का था 20%, foreign bank 18%, small finance bank का है 31%. तो ये आपका growth show किया है year on year. आगे आ जाइए. Reserve Bank of India imposed the penalty of 2.68 crore rupee on UCO Bank. UCO Bank, it is a public sector bank. It's a government bank where majority of the share holded by Government of India. When you are writing the IBPS PO, IBPS Clerk examination, one of the bank in which you may get allocated is going to be the UK Bank. UK Bank headquarters located in Kolkata. Mr. Ashwini Kumar is the MD and CEO. Honor your trust is the tagline. Now, RBI imposed a penalty of 2.68 crore rupee on a public sector bank. So going to be the important news for the examination. What is the reason? Reason is there are challenges which this bank was unable to follow regarding current account, interest rate on the deposit and fraud classification. That is SMA 0, 1 and 2. In all these categories, the bank means either on the deposit and lending, both side bank have done the mistake. That is why 2.68 crore rupee fine. Fine is also very high on the UCO Bank. अपॉइंटमेंट्स पर आते हैं। स्विगी अपॉइंटेड एक्स फ्लिपकार्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव मिस्टर अमितेश झा एज द सीईओ ऑफ इंस्टामार्ट। इंस्टामार्ट के नए सीईओ अपॉइंट हुए हैं। स्विगी इंस्टामार्ट, वेयर यू कैन ऑर्डर एंड गेट डिलीवरी विद इन 10 मिनट्स, so that is what Swiggy Instamart. So Mr. Jha, what is the name? Amitesh Jha. Mr. Amitesh Jha announced to be appointed as the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Quick Commerce arm of Swiggy Instamart. So with the effect from 4th of September 2024, Mr. Jha is going to be the CEO. To whom he have replaced is not very important. Don't worry. किसको रिप्लेस किया यहां पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Swiggy Instamart is not like who CGI of India. That CGI who have changed or to whom have changed. Both names are important. Governor of RBI, Chairman of SBI. इनमें पढ़ना होता है that who has been appointed in place of whom appointed. But यहाँ नहीं है जरूरत. You should only remember that Amitesh Jha appointed as the new CEO of Swiggy Instamart. Previously he was working as an executive with Flipkart. Flipkart के साथ ये appointed थे. ठीक है. Sairam Krishnamurthy have been appointed as the Senior Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of Instamart. तो एक और अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ है. Sairam Krishnamurthy sir appointed as the Senior Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of Instamart. ये पॉइंट हो गया. Swiggy founded in the year 2014 and Bangalore is the headquarter of Swiggy. Another important appointment in the defense sector. Now we have a long list of appointment in the defense sector. I'll try to give the complete list by tomorrow. मैं कल कोशिश करूंगा एमसीक्यूज में पूरा लिस्ट रेडी करके आपको देने का. तो रिसेंटली अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ है रजविंदर सिंह भाटी, अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ सीआईएसएफ, सेंट्रल इंडस्ट्रियल सिक्योरिटी फोर्स के नए डायरेक्टर जनरल अपॉइंट हुए हैं भाटी साहब. Another important appointment is Daljit Singh Chaudhary, appointed as the chief of BSF, Border Security Force. Apart from Daljit Singh Chaudhary is also holding the special director position in CRPF. तो CRPF में भी डायरेक्टर का पोजीशन है, स्पेशल डायरेक्टर का पोजीशन है दलजीत सिंह चौधरी के पास. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ही इज आल्सो द हेड ऑफ BSF, Border Security Force. You are not going to learn like this. I'll give you a complete list tomorrow. When you will have a complete list in front of your eyes, you should record them on an audio note, keeping the PPT in front of you. Listen to it continuously for 3 times, at a time 3 times, before sleep, after waking up. So for next 3 days, then it will be automatically there in your subconscious mind and you will be able to answer in your examination without any challenges. ठीक है. बैंकिंग फाइनेंस बिजनेस न्यूज पर आते हैं. न्यूज नंबर 1 है आपका जियो फाइनेंशियल लिस्ट. मैं कल दे दूंगा अपडेटेड लिस्ट, कल दे दूंगा मैं अपडेटेड लिस्ट टेबल फॉर्मेट में. यस, डेफिनेटली I'll give it tomorrow in the table format, don't worry. So Jio Financial Services received the approval to raise FDI limit, foreign investment limit, to 49%. Although the limit of FDI in NBFC is up to 100%. FDI, foreign direct investment in the field of non-bank financial company, is up to 100%. ये है आपका. But that is after the approval of Government of India. In a particular area, RBI approval is also required. अगर हम बात करें FDI limit of FDI in case of bank, in the case of banks, so in public sector bank and in private bank. Public sector bank में है आपका up to 20% और प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक में है up to 74%. That is why we have the concept of private banks in India. ठीक है, तो ये भी याद रखिएगा. क्लियर है? आगे आ जाइए. Jio Financial Services Limited have received approval from the Department of Economic Affairs to increase the aggregate limit of foreign investment, including foreign portfolio investment, foreign investor FPIs, up to 49% of the paid up equity of the capital share, fully diluted basis. Means whatever the total shares which are available in the market. Adjustment is aimed to enhance the participation of the foreign investors FPIs in India. Currently, foreign investment limit is 17.5%. 17.55%, and from public there is approximately 53% which is already floated. तो 53% मार्केट में पब्लिक है कंपनी का, 17.5% जो है दैट इज फ्रॉम द फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स। ये आपके पास पॉइंट है। एसेट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी ज्वाइन विद ब्लैक रॉक फॉर द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड टेक प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द स्टेज इन द डेवलपमेंट। सो न्यू वेंचर्स जो कंपनी स्टार्ट कर रही है, कंपनीज स्टार्टिंग द न्यू वेंचर्स, शिप लीजिंग बिजनेस में कंपनी मूव कर रहा है आपका, मींस दे हैव लॉट्स ऑफ प्लान। जियो फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, दे हैव लॉट्स ऑफ प्लान। जियो फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज लिमिटेड फाउंडेड इन द ईयर 22 जुलाई 1999, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र, हेडक्वार्टर है हितेश कुमार सेचियस द एमडी एंड सीईओ। इट इज द राइट टाइम टू बाय बेसिकली टू कंपनीज की अगर मैं बात करूं, अभी तो आपके पास 4-5 कंपनीज है। देखो क्या होता है, न्यूज आया फ्राइडे इवनिंग को, एक न्यूज आया, 4 कंपनीज गॉट द अप्रूवल टू बिकम अ नवरत्ना कंपनी। Monday morning there will be a jump in that 4 companies because these companies became Navaratna. So Saturday, Sunday stock market was off. Monday morning when the market will be open back, 4 companies will get a jump. Jio Financial Services will get a jump. REC Limited will get the jump. REC Limited is doing great. So REC Limited is a correct company to buy at present because definitely there will be a growth in future. So when you will start working, when you will start earning, and those who are already earning and they want to make investment in the stock market, be connected with the current affairs. You will always have a good strategy to make investment कि कहां करना चाहिए, कहां से back off कर लें। FDI 74% है, automatic up to 100% with approval in NBFC बेटा, non bank financial companies. In banking sector there is 74%। ठीक है, आगे आ जाइए। Another news from Jio Financial Services. Jio Financial Services investment in Jio Payment Bank increases to 82.17%. Now see, Jio Financial Services is increasing their investment where in Jio Payment Bank 82% का investment हो गया, investment of 68 crore rupee as the core investment. So Jio Financial Services is the core investment company for the Reliance Industries. Recently they make investment or increases their investment in Jio Payment Bank. Now the investment is 82.17%. Previous investment was 70 or previous stack was 78%, approximately 79%. Now it is 82.17%. So another news is Jio Financial Services increases the investment in Jio Payment Bank. How much investment now? 82.17%. Jio Payment Bank founded on 3rd of April 2018, Navi Mumbai headquarter है, विवेक भंडारी is the chairperson, विनोद ईश्वरन सर is the MD and CEO। तो ये हो गया Jio related 2 news back to back। Goods and Service Department, that is GST Department of India, imposed the penalty of 24 lakh rupee on Yes Bank. GST Department in Maharashtra have imposed the penalty of 24.92 lakh rupee, approximately 25 lakh rupee fine imposed by GST Department on the Yes Bank. Penalty was included the disallowance of the input tax credit, interest and penalty amount itself. Means it is not only penalty, it is the amount which Yes Bank have taken in form of input के फॉर्म में लिया है। इनपुट का मीनिंग क्या होता है वो समझ लीजिए। Yes Bank is doing business, right? So when Yes Bank bought something, for example, Yes Bank bought 100 new computers or 100 new laptops for their employees. Basically they buy PC, right? So 100 new PCs Yes Bank have bought there for their employee. So on this PC there will be a GST. What Yes Bank is going to do, Yes Bank will on the billing amount, Yes Bank will pay GST, but later on Yes Bank will take back this GST as input. Means in future when Yes Bank will be paying the GST to Government of India, whatever the amount Yes Bank paid while buying that computers, that amount Yes Bank is going to pay less. So for example, Yes Bank need to pay in a particular month of September 10 crore rupees GST, and they paid 1 crore rupee GST while buying computers last month. So now this 1 crore rupee will be deducted from 10 crore and remaining 9 crore Yes Bank is going to pay. This is called GST input. इसको बोलते हैं GST input. It avoid paying the GST again, because this same month I have paid GST of 1 crore rupee on buying a product, then again I am paying for the services or for the amount which I have earned from the market. So I am paying double GST. So to avoid that, I can take as a businessman GST input. तो GST input इन्होंने wrong ले लिया. Bank does not anticipate the order significantly impact the financial operations and other activities. So bank earned interest or bank have taken GST input more than required. इन्होंने अपना जो GST input होगा उससे ज्यादा ले लिया. Because of that, this 24 or basically 25 lakh rupee penalty was imposed by GST department on Yes Bank. Yes Bank के ऊपर इतना penalty impose किया है. I hope the statement is getting clear. समझ में आया वाला पॉइंट? या SBI शेयर इन जियो पेमेंट बैंक इज 23%. करेक्ट है, करेक्ट है. यस बैंक में भी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 24% के आसपास है SBI का शेयर अभी करंट में. SBI, this Yes Bank founded in the year 2004, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र हेडक्वार्टर है. प्रशांत कुमार सरस्ता MD and CEO. आगे आ जाइए. Zeta partnered with SDFC to enhance the credit line offering UPI. So credit line on UPI we have discussed multiple times. That now even your account balance is zero, still if your bank is offering you credit line facility over the UPI, you can do the transaction with the support of QR code or by using your UPI application like Phone Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, etc. Correct hai? So when your bank is offering it, now different banks started doing the collaboration with the different fintech companies or with the fintech third party applications to offer this credit line facility on UPI. Zeta, a provider of next generation banking technology, recently collaborated with SDFC Bank to support the bank credit line offering on the UPI platform. So credit line facility on the UPI platform of SDFC Bank. SDFC Bank का अपना खुद का भी application है, PayZapp करके है ना, PayZapp application. So on the PayZapp application of SDFC Bank, Zeta will be offering this credit line facility, means they will be offering with the technology. Fund will be offered by the SDFC itself. So credit line scheme was announced by NPCI, allow bank to connect pre-approved limit directly to the UPI user base. So UPI user base can utilize this facility now. Zeta estimated to suggest the this UPI facility on the credit line, UPI credit line facility scheme could grow up to 1 trillion by the year 2030. ये expectation है Zeta का. So Zeta collaborated with SDFC Bank recently for the purpose of offering credit line facility on UPI on the platform of SDFC Bank, that is called PayZapp. Zeta founded in the year 2015, Mumbai Maharashtra headquarter hai. Bhavin Thukaria sir is the CEO of the company. OYO, another business news. OYO reports quarter one profit of 132 crore rupee. मतलब OYO का use बढ़ रहा है. That is why they are able to generate profit now. So OYO hospitality major heading toward the IPO. अभी IPO की तरफ move कर रहे हैं. Reported the profit after tax PAT of 132 crore rupee in the first quarter of the financial year 25, making the significant turnout from the loss of 108 crore same period last year. Last year same time 108 crore का loss था, and this time same period 132 crore rupee profit. This year they have a prediction of 700 crore rupee profit आफ्टर टैक्स. तो इस बार का इन्होंने प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, मतलब पीएटी जो रखा है वो रखा है अप्रोक्सीमेटली 700 करोड़ रुपए प्रॉफिट विल बी जनरेटेड. सीईओ एंड फाउंडर ऑफ ओयो इज मिस्टर रितेश अग्रवाल. ओयो रूम्स उनकी बात कर रहा हूं, ठीक है. अरे भाई स्टूडेंट्स भी जाते हैं, कभी कोई एग्जाम देने गया है तो ओयो के रूम्स थोड़ा चीपर साइड पर होते हैं, चीपर एंड पर होते हैं, इजी टू बुक होते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट डू book it while going for examination purpose. ऐसा नहीं है कि अब OYO रूम का एक ही यूज है. हाँ. So Ritesh Agrawal have recently invested 830 crore rupee in OYO through his entity and patent capital, bringing the total funding at least of 1457 crore rupee, valuation of 2.4 billion. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर कर लेते हैं, आगे आते हैं. अगला न्यूज है काफी इंपॉर्टेंट. I'll be starting with the basic concept, what is called Navaratna and when the Navaratna companies started. So Navaratna 1977 में start हुए थे. Navaratna status allow company to invest 1000 crore rupee or 15% of their net worth in the single project or 30% of their investment, not more than 1000 crore rupee in one financial year. Basically, all the Navaratna companies allowed to make the investment up to 1000 crore rupee in one financial year. एक फाइनेंशियल ईयर में 1000 करोड़ रुपए तक का इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं नवरत्ना कंपनीज. हाउ मेनी नवरत्ना कंपनीज आर देयर इन इंडिया नाउ? Recently, finance minister approved 4 more companies to be added as Navaratna. Previously, we had 21 plus 4. Now in India, as on today when I am taking this session, कल का कोई भरोसा नहीं है, आज जब मैं ये सेशन ले रहा हूं तब तक 25 नवरत्ना कंपनीज हैं इंडिया में. And mostly till your examination of RRB PO, IBPS PO, there will be 25. If there is any updation same day or a day after, I'll update you. Benefit of being a Navaratna companies are authorized to make the capital expenditure or making a joint venture company subsidiaries and making the investment up to 1000 crore rupee in India. Criteria of being a Navaratna company: every company which is getting the status from Navaratna, they will be promoted from Mini Ratna category 1. So whenever you are reading that Navaratna company increased, it means Mini Ratna category 1 company decreased, क्योंकि वहीं से अपग्रेड होंगी ये. There is no new company will directly added to Navaratna. Always Mini Ratna category 1 company will get upgraded to Navaratna. This is most important to remember. So scheduled company A with the credit or composite score of 60 and 6 selected performance criteria, and based on that it is decided. So how many selected criteria होते हैं? तो 6 selected criteria होते हैं, performance indicator. Based on that any Navaratna companies are decided. So here you have the list of 20 का लिस्ट है ये, ठीक है. भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड, कंटेनर कॉर्पोरेशन, इंजीनियर्स, हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स, MTNL, नेशनल एल्यूमिनियम कंपनी, नेशनल बिल्डिंग, निवेली, NMDC, राष्ट्रीय इस्पात निगम, शिपिंग कॉर्पोरेशन, रेल विकास निगम लिमिटेड. आफ्टर दैट देखो रेल विकास निगम लिमिटेड था, रेलटेल नहीं था इसमें इंक्लूडेड. ONGC हो गया, देन राष्ट्रीय इस्पात निगम लिमिटेड, राष्ट्रीय केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर, एयरकॉन, राइट्स फर्टिलाइजर लिमिटेड, सेंट्रल वेयर हाउसिंग, हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, इंडियन रिन्यूएबल डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी IREDA. इसका स्टॉक प्राइस बहुत जंप किया था आफ्टर इट वाज अनाउंस्ड एज अ नवरत्ना कंपनी. सडनली बूस्ट कर गया था स्टॉक प्राइस IREDA का. देन मजगांव डॉक शिप बिल्डर लिमिटेड, इट वाज 21st. ये था आपका 21st नंबर का, ठीक है. 21st. वंस दे बिकेम देन दे आर नवरत्ना ओनली. डिग्रेड नहीं किया आज तक किसी कंपनी को गवर्नमेंट ने. वंस दे गॉट द अप्रूवल ऑफ नवरत्ना देन दे कंटिन्यू इन द लिस्ट ऑफ नवरत्ना. So 21st Navaratna was Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. This company got the status, if I am not wrong, in the month of June 2024. June 2024 में 21st कंपनी बनी थी, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र हेडक्वार्टर है. Now यूनियन गवर्नमेंट और यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमन upgraded 4 public sector enterprises to become Navaratna company. It is Railtel Corporation, सोलर एनर्जी कॉर्पोरेशन इंडिया लिमिटेड. इट इज गोइंग टू, इसके देख लेना आज ऐसे देखेंगे स्टॉक प्राइस ऐसे जंप करते हुए. सोलर एनर्जी की स्पेशली वाई रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सेक्टर प्लस गॉट द स्टेटस ऑफ नवरत्न, सडनली जंप मार जाएगा. सोलर एनर्जी कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड, सतलुज जल विद्युत निगम लिमिटेड, it is also almost these companies out of 3 companies are in power sector. All are very important. Hydroelectric Power Corporation, these companies got the Navaratna status. Now the total number of Navaratna in India 25 Navaratna हो गए. So Solar Energy Corporation India Limited, it is a central PSC under Ministry of New Renewable Energy, granted the Navaratna status on 30th of August by the Ministry of Finance, and it have completed 13 years of experience in this category. After that Railtel Corporation, it became 22nd Navaratna. 21st मैंने बताया मजगांव था, 22nd Navaratna Railtel. Similarly Solar Energy Corporation of India 23rd Navaratna. Then National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, NHPC, very very important, NHPC. 24th Navaratna, Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited, 25th Navaratna. I had so much news, I was unable to cover the static part of these particular companies. The static part means who is the CMD, in which year they were formed, and where is the headquarter. That also we need to cover in the upcoming sessions. So if I'll forget, it's your task to remind me. Otherwise, it's your task to add that data. मेरे साथ शेयर कर दो, मैं ऐड कर दूंगा. ठीक है? तो इनका स्टैटिक पार्ट अभी भी ऐड करना हमको बचा है, अभी भी बचा है. Please do not confuse with the data. I have given you the exact number and data of the Navaratna company. Now we have 25 and I think I have given you the complete list of 25 also. आपके पास पूरा लिस्ट है, so do not get confused please. हाँ, कंफ्यूज मत हो जाइएगा. ठीक है, पूरे 25 का मैंने आपको नाम दे दिया है. Indian Oil and RBL Bank launched co-branded credit card. So Indian Oil along with the RBL Bank recently launched global Fintech Fast credit card facility. Strategic collaboration aim to earn the attractive reward, enabling them to earn up to 250 liter of free petrol annually. अरे बाप रे, 250 liter up to annually petrol. ये वाला आज ही अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा पट को. So Indian Oil and RBL Bank have recently launched co-branded credit card where in the form of cashback you will be able to get the petrol at the petrol bunks of Indian Oil. RBL Bank is one of the leading private sector bank in India. Headquarter located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. ठीक है, चलो आगे आ जाओ. So national international spreading news है. पहला news, it is still related to the finance, still related to banking. Finance Minister have given the prediction approximately 3 crore new account of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, that is also called Basic Saving Bank Deposit Account, BSBD account, Basic Saving Bank Deposit Account. So approximately 3 crore new Basic Saving Bank Deposit accounts are opened recently. Finance will be opened in the financial year 2024. This is what the prediction given by Finance Minister. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was announced on 28th of August 2014. The number of bank account increased from 14.72 crore rupee in March 2015 to 53 crore rupee accounts as on 16th of August 2024. 53 crore bank accounts are there under BSBD, Basic Saving Bank Deposit Account. Apart from that, from 15,000 crore rupee deposited in March 2015 to 2.31 lakh crore rupee deposited in the year 2024, August 2024. तो ये इंक्रीमेंट देखा गया है. 14 August 2024, 173 active current account and saving accounts were there in Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. The average balance under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana account increases from 1,000 rupee in March 2015 to 4,300 rupee in 16th of August 2014, reflecting the financial engagement and increment in the numbers. After that, I have already given you this number also. Just 3-4 days before 28th of August was the duration when 10 years Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana have completed, right? So this is the data updated till 21st of August. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana total accounts are 53.2 crore. Total deposit 2.29 lakh crore. ये सबसे ज़्यादा updated data है directly from the website of Jan Dhan Yojana. So 2.29 lakh crore rupees the total deposit. Maximum deposits are there with the public sector bank. तो पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक के पास टोटल डिपॉजिट्स अगर अपन चेक करें, सो आउट ऑफ टोटल बेनिफिशियरीज 50 out of total beneficiaries of 53 crore, 41 crore beneficiaries are there with the public sector bank. 9 crore beneficiaries are there with the RRB. More than 90% accounts under Jan Dhan Yojana are managed by the public sector banks in India. 90% से ज़्यादा. We must know that Kerala and Goa became the first states in India to achieve 100% financial inclusion under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. The scheme honored by Guinness Book of World Record in the year 2014. Most bank open account in 1 week were 1.91 crore rupee as a part of financial inclusion campaign. So approximately 2 crore account open within a week, and that created a Guinness Book of World Record. Kerala and Goa became the first states in India to achieve 100% financial inclusion in India. Points clear है यहाँ तक के? ओवरलोड तो नहीं हो रहा आज का न्यूज. आई नो दैट नंबर ऑफ न्यूज ज्यादा है, फिर एमसीक्यूज रिवीजन एंड ऑल बहुत सारी चीजें थी, बट कंपनसेट भी तो करना है ना, टू मी ऑल्सो एंड टू ऑल यू ऑल्सो. सैटरडे संडे ऑफ लेने का. कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन द इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स अप्रूव 12 इंडस्ट्रियल node and 3 rail project focusing the connectivity of key industrial locations. These locations are going to get the investment of approximately 35,000 crore. The properties in these particular state, particularly in that locations, are going to be boosted up. देखो, investment के लिए सबसे important है awareness. If you are aware about it, कि अरे ये पर्टिकुलर, जैसे जोधपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिलेक्ट हुआ है इसमें, जोधपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ राजस्थान, पाली डिस्ट्रिक्ट, पाली जो है आपका ब्लॉक, वो सिलेक्ट हुआ है. सो एनीवन हु इज फ्रॉम नियर बाय पाली, इफ दे स्टार्टेड बाइंग द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑन द हाईवेज, they will get a very good boost in the upcoming very near future. Within 6 months, the prices are started getting up very soon. So new industrial areas including Uttarakhand, Punjab, Maharashtra, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, covering the various locations for food processing, IT, textile and pharmaceutical sector. So government have announced the hydroelectric project of 4,136 crore rupee. ठीक है, एक ये अलग पॉइंट है आपके पास. So 4,136 crore rupee from the year 2024-25 till the year 2030-31. So different project government of India is making as an announcement. So alternative investment fund sanction around 47,500 crore. Basically maximum investment in the infrastructure sector only. आगे आ जाओ. नेक्स्ट है, हिमाचल प्रदेश increases the minimum age of marriage for women to 21 years from 18 years. Himachal Pradesh State Assembly bill increasing the minimum age, that is legal marriage age, will be 21 years now. तो अब 21 के पहले शादी नहीं कर सकते हैं for girls. For men it was already 21 previously. Now for girls also it is 21. Yeah, so if your girlfriend is from Himachal Pradesh, you should wait until she will come 21 and you get a job, right? So Himachal Pradesh State Assembly passed the bill increasing minimum age of marriage for the women from 18 to 21 in order to support the gender equality in higher education. The provision of Child Marriage Act, that is Himachal Pradesh Amendment Bill 2024, Mr. Women Empowerment Minister Dhani Ram Sandil, State Assembly have presented this bill in the monsoon session and finally this bill have been passed. The bill amended the provision of Child Marriage 2006 and other related act of Himachal Pradesh. तो 21 हो गया है आपका एज, ठीक है. Bill defines child as anyone who have not completed age of 21. So anyone who have not completed age of 21, either man or woman, will consider as child. वो बच्चा ही कहलाएगा. Eliminating the previous distinction between males and females. पहले males का जो था वो आपका 21 हुआ करता था. Previously there was a petition filed for 2 years attending the majority before turning 20 women and 23 for men. तो ये petition वगैरह फाइल हुआ था. Bill have increased to 5 years allowing the filed before turning 23 old. ये सब छोड़ दो, आप तो ये वाला पॉइंट याद रखो, 18 to 21 वाला, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है अभी करंट के लिए, ठीक है. So Governor of State is Pratap Shukla sir, Shiv Pratap Shukla sir. Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu sir is the Chief Minister of the state. आगे आ जाइए. नेक्स्ट है, मध्य प्रदेश सिक्योर 8,000 करोड़ रुपए इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रपोजल एट रीजनल इंडस्ट्रियल कॉन्क्लेव. सो मध्य प्रदेश चीफ मिनिस्टर मिस्टर मोहन यादव announced the state receive investment of 8,000 crore rupee at regional industrial conclave that is conducted in Gwalior. सो 8,000 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट रिसीव किया भी रिसेंटली मध्य प्रदेश ने। अदानी पोर्ट एंड स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर करण अदानी डिस्क्लोज द plan to be set up with 2 million ton of capacity in Guna, Madhya Pradesh and total investment of 3,500 करोड़ रुपए। तो अदानी ग्रुप ने अनाउंस कर दिया 3,500 करोड़, टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट 8,000 करोड़ रुपए का रिसीव करेंगे। ठीक है, बस ये एक दो न्यूज और है, आप एक बार चेक कर लीजिएगा। मैं एमसीक्यूज के फॉर्म में कल रिवाइज करवा दूंगा, ऑलरेडी काफी लेट था, तो 2-3 न्यूज बचे हैं, एक बार आप लोग पीडीएफ से देख लेना, मैं कल आपको रिवाइज करवा दूंगा। ठीक है, चलिए गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द सेशन एंड कीपिंग पेशेंस अप टिल 9:11। 9 बजे खत्म करना था, बट टिल 9:11। सो थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द सेशन। आई विल ट्राई टू cover everything in the form of MCQs again tomorrow on time. Till that time, keep watching Oliveboard guys. Take care, जय हिंद। और पेड सेशंस में आपका अगस्त मंथ का रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया सर्कुलर के टॉपिक्स हैं आज सेशन में, सो डू नॉट मिस।